Did I need more mugs? No. Look how freaking cute this is. I found this one. Hola mi gente bella, hello spooky hoes, welcome back to the channel. I am here to show you what I got at Spirit Halloween today, and apparently the crows want to be participating in the video as well. So if you hear them in the background, they're part of the spooky hoe family as well. So I have you guys propped up on an antique wooden purse because we are in my storage unit, as you can see, and I am organizing some stuff for my antique section of my website. So I'm going to do a couple of different videos in this outfit in this section, so if you see me in the other two videos wearing the same thing, don't judge, we're sustainable here, and yeah, just roll with it. First things first, this was $7.99, and friends, I'm gonna like doll it up a little bit because it's a little plain. But I bought this because I'm going to be El Diablito for Halloween. I literally have no plans of anywhere to go, but we might find some, and if not, I will dress up to take pictures anyways. And I'm trying to paper mache mask. Stick with me, and hopefully this year you will see me in a little devil costume. If not, we are definitely gonna buy one already made because the schedule is busy. Next up, mugs. Did I need more mugs? No. Did I want them? Yes. So I got some. Halloween mugs are just so hard to come by throughout the year unless you buy them online, and sometimes they can be pretty pricey. So whenever I go to Spirit Halloween or other stores, I try to collect some mugs for my Halloween spooky mug collection. I found this one, but I saw the Addams Family, so I decided to go ahead and grab this one because it was just so cute. On the back, it does say most unusual. Not too crazy about that, honestly. I wish it would have just been black, but nonetheless, I really love the mug. I love that it has the Addams Family original characters on there, like from the TV show. Okay, I can't remember if I posted this video or not, but I went to a couple of stores like Burlington, Ross, and that kind of stuff. If I haven't posted it, I'll be sure to post it before October ends. But I found mugs. Last year I found a Chucky one. This year I found another Chucky one. And so like I needed like a set because I had one Chucky, one of the couple, and then now I needed Tiffany. And I found this one. It says eat your heart out. It's white, and it has Tiffany on both sides with the little lipstick stain at the top. I just thought that was so sexy. I love Tiffany. I'm done shopping for mugs this season. Like we're done. I don't need any more. But this one I had to get. I love the Universal Studio Monsters. Reminds me of like Andy Warhol kind of, or like the very 1950s comic book style. And yeah, just very iconic. I love the Universal Monsters, and so I'm really glad that I got this. Also, if you're wondering what this glare is, my screen protector is cracked and I can't find my other screen protector, so I need to order some. Send me a reminder. If my familia sees this, they're gonna want to whip me. I had to get it. I'm really excited to use this as home decor. Is this not so freaking cool? They had like Jesus and nun stuff, and then I saw the whip and I was like, I need that. Also, this is $9.99. So if you're gonna use this as a whip, just make sure to use it carefully because it might break on you because it's a little bit on the cheaper side, but as a whip, it probably does work. I have a biker jacket that has like spooky pins on it, but now I want to use like one of my, like I made a bag out of denim years ago. I still use it occasionally, but I really wanted to make a new one or use that one and add patches to it, like a lot of patches. I found these patches and I was like, let me go ahead and start a patch collection so that I can start adding it to the bag. It actually has 4 patches. So one says see you in hell with a cat on it, a skeleton with a like top hat, a jack-o'-lantern, and then one that says wake me up when it's October. And this was, how much is this? $7.99. So for 4 patches, that is a really good deal. I love spooky season, but I'm more of like a Halloween town, you know, girly. But friend, the noises from the wind and the leaves, and like, you know, you're in a storage unit, I get scared sometimes. Speaking of scary, I got a Camp Crystal Lake hat, and I just really liked it because of the color and then also the font, and I just thought this would be really fun to wear in the summertime when I'm still celebrating spooky season throughout the year. And on the back it says Friday the 13th. This would have been really cool to wear yesterday because it was Friday the 13th yesterday, but nonetheless, I'm really excited that I found this. The camisas, los t-shirts was buy one, get one 50% off. Why can't I think? I got 2. I really wanted some Spirit Halloween merch because I cannot find any ever every time I go to Spirit Halloween every year. And this is their 40th anniversary, so I really wanted some of that merch. And I got this one. So yeah, I got it a little bit larger because, you know, I like to wear shirts to sleep that are like super big. So I grabbed this one. Also got the Universal Monsters. This one I got a little bit smaller because I wanted like nice and tight fitting. It has the monsters on there. I just thought that was really fun. So I'm definitely gonna take a picture with my mug and my shirt. For sure. También me compré la bolsa. Instead of this being printed kind of like my shirt, this is actually like a big patch, like a big ass patch that's like embroidered, sewed on. So it's not gonna like come off when you wash it and stuff. Glass bag. Bought a couple masks. I swear this one is the most creepiest one, but it's the vintage Jolly Ghost mask. I love a mask. I used to hate them as a kid, like for Halloween costumes, but I think they're so great and like so easy because like you can wear like something as simple as this and use a mask. So I also got the black cat, and then I also got the witch. I can never get the witch, so I got it. And I'm so glad I found all three of these. These are 13 bucks, by the way, but I had to get a more expensive one when it came to Frankenstein. I do have the Frankenstein from the vintage collection, but I saw this one, thought I could wear this as a Halloween costume. And also it's harder, and I love it. Really, this is the monster of Dr. Frankenstein. This is not actually Frankenstein. But look how freaking cute this is. I definitely want to make this one of my costumes this year. And then I also got a ghost face mask, or I might even add diamonds to it. I honestly want to put this in my car, like on the seat, spook people out, because my windows are pretty tinted, and I think that'd be really fun. I love ghost face, so I got a couple more things. So the last two items from ghost face series are the bag. I don't really love the Spirit Halloween bags because I feel like they're more like on the cheaper side when it comes to the material, but I thought this one was pretty fun, and I decided to go ahead and grab it, especially since it had like the more 3D-esque face, and it's like a different material, and then the black is more like subdued. And then I also really love the zipper pouch had the knife, and it does come with the straps in the same material on the inside. It says ghost face on the tag on the inside. So yeah, it's really freaking cute. I'm definitely gonna wear this October. And then I also got this ghost face set, so it comes with 2 patches, so I'll be using that for the bag. And then I also got 2 pins, so I can put those on my spooky biker jacket. And then the last thing that I got, this Friday the 13th like hockey jersey. It's freaking sick. I'm so excited to wear this. I got a really large size because I think this would look really nice with some like tighter pants and some cool shoes and a nice little bag. But yeah, it's really freaking cute. It has the mask on the front, Friday the 13th on the back, Jason Voorhees, and there's even like stuff on the sleeve and stuff. Yeah, this is pretty sick. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. And that is my haul, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's just a special feeling to go to Spirit Halloween or to other stores and see all the Halloween stuff out, especially if you're part of the Spooky Ho Club. You know, my club, the Spooky Hoes. You love Halloween throughout the year. You can shop it all year round, but there's especially a better feeling when you're doing it through October. And the weather, don't even get me started. It's cool today. It's gray. The leaves are flowing. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you want to be part of the Spooky Ho Club, make sure you stick around because we do this stuff all year round. I also have a store where I sell spooky Halloween stuff because I'm a spooky ho artist. And yeah, make sure you check that out. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, keep it spooky, stay hydrated, grab some treats, and I will see you in the next one.